It opened 1 minute ago, so ready to rock and roll today. Let's take a look and drop the scanner down.
Oh, look who it is.
Is that Campy?
Little Kyle.
Hey, we want to do a happy birthday to Kyle.
Oh shoot!
He is
Gonna make me blush.
He is.
I already have a good happy birthday.
Turning 28. If I'm right?
32.
32.
Close.
So somebody was 27 in here that I was talking to that I remember saying, but maybe that was just me. It might have been.
So on my MU calls, I'm up 94% right now.
Let's go.
Let's go.
MU. Let's pull it up.
So happy birthday, me.
Happy birthday, you. Micron Technology. Let's go.
I had now 111%.
How's June?
I've already made 3 times what I go for in a goal. I'm gonna sell.
He's like, I'm making too much money.
If that's all right with you guys, I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell 12 or 15 contracts and call it a day. And
Keep in mind, if you guys are watching this live, we are never telling you what to buy. We're strictly giving our opinions here. Full disclaimer: we are not trading professionals. I just do this every day, so I don't have the paper to prove it, but I've got the mindset. So let's trade and let's watch.
Cool.
Fucking Kyle, you're gonna get us in trouble.
Sold.
No, he's good. I just want to make sure I drop that disclaimer.
On my 5 other contracts, I am now up 135% and still rising.
Hey, sheesh! Happy birthday to you, dog.
Check out GEVO. They look to be on a huge
tear.
Pick back up right now. Yep. I called that out last night too.
They're on a tear, as Kyle would say.
Yeah, I would say that. But hey, sorry for interrupting. You can continue with the birthday wishes. I was just excited about my cross. Oh god.
I'm just Who are we?
Holy shit. We're just people, man. We're just living. People. We're just vibing, you know.
Just vibing. Let's pull up GM. Is GM
Hey,
up for you
birthday's
today?
Terrible, Kyle. Negative $24 so far. Let's go.
Low key, guys. I just went from 7,000 in my Wii Bowl to 11,000.
Nice.
In 1 second. So I can't be upset today. For real. It's a good day.
My AMC put is up 7%.
Ah, fuck, Neo dropped. What a scumbag.
Actually, 8.89. I'm a man against the people, I guess, right now, because I'm shorting AMC. Scumbag Kaler.
Scumbag Kaler, how dare you?
How dare I give you the opportunity to buy 100 shares, because if I didn't, then who would you buy them from?
Yeah, right.
If you're all
like
holding the line, if everyone's hodling,
too.
you won't have anyone to buy shares from.
Right. You looks good, too. You still holding that? Or do you sell?
Well, you know me. I always sell way too early.
Sold.
Heard. But I did hold shares. So I sold the call, bought shares at 106. Yahtzee! Up $6.26.
Too easy.
You know, if I was doing any better, I'd be myself. What?
Alright, now I'm up 145 on my last 5 contracts.
And because we don't bullshit here, taking screenshots,
Oh,
dropping them into poster profits, 5.2% on the shares, still holding, haven't sold yet because we're now up 5.34% on used
Posting profits now, my bad. I did screenshot it.
In at 106, average price of 106.69, current price, last price 112.55, position ratio 12% of my little portfolio here.
Alright, 150% up.
Let's go.
I should have held. Well, I held most of it.
Should have held. I'm up 30% on my entire portfolio in 15 minutes. I should have held. The story of the bag holders.
Hey, it's 40%.
Hey, bro. It's 40%.
Okay. GM's looking good, of course. It's always looking good, but that's just me. Except for yesterday. SKLZ is looking great, though.
Hey, remember GoGo?
Yeah, how that doing?
It's not great, but it's profit. We got it at 10.97. It's at 11.06. 11.09. 11.09. Strike that. We're up 1%. Bia.
Hear me out on this. It's not great.
Hear me out. 1%. When you say 1% is not great overnight, though, 5 years ago, people would want 1% for the year.
For real, though. Low-key. Oh, good. Neo? correcting itself good. I just need to shoot up 12 to 80%. Also, what I was looking at was Lemonade pre-market was looking great, but then I forgot about it in the excitement. It's looking terrible now.
What's Jimmy doing? What's your baby doing? What's your boo doing?
GM?
Yeah.
Oh, my GME baby?
I said GME, but I meant GM.
Okay, GM is it could have a recovery today because it did drop the last 2 days. It's up 0.31 and it looks like it's hold on, I need to check the charts real quick.
This looks like it needs to hold 57.99.
What?
GM, what's it at now?
58.25, and it's been rising still.
Yeah, okay, that's what I see.
You know what?
58.31. I just like to make sure that like I've been running some weird strategies, and correct me if this is just the novice in me on this part of it, but I'm pretty sure, like we've been noticing, that the more and more people we have in here, we can see different quotes, right? And I mean, everyone knows that, but it's like I can literally sell to you. Like this is saying it's at 58.32 for a bid, 58.34. Is that what it says for you?
Yeah.
So if you go to TOS, Think or Swim on the shares, unless the last time I was in there, they were like far behind.
Correct.
Quotes, and I was like, "This is beautiful." So you just pull up both side by side. You buy from. Once.
Are you talking about two different platforms for looking at the stock market?
Yeah.
Okay.
And like I didn't test it enough because I didn't care. I'm like, I'll just trade my system, and then I started getting more and more interested in seeing like the difference of it, and I was like, well, hold on. So you can sell the same. I could sell the same ticker on one end and then buy it on the other. And create a market if I wanted to. If I had enough money.
All right, up 170% on MU now.
What's the SPY doing? Is it up? If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up.
I have no idea. John's not here.
I know.
Yeah, true.
Where's our SPY guy?
Yeah, where's John? We need to know the exact number as soon as we ask. SPY's at 0.14%, so it's looking pretty good. Yeah, it looks like GM's definitely testing the, yeah, it definitely looks like, move you motherfucker, like 58.34 is where it's not liking to get up to.
Would you feel comfortable owning it at $58 even on April 1st?
What?
I said, here's the conundrum. Would you want to own it on April 1st for $58? You think?
No.
No. You think
I think it'll be ready for. I think it'll be ready for correction downwards because I mean,
if it's up,
it's no secret that they've had to stop production.
What about the EV? That they're going to be a big player in EV.
Yeah, but that's the thing is they can't even build an EV right now because they've literally shut down a bunch of their plants recently because they can't get microchips because of how rough that market is right now. They just can't get a hold of they have to build new mines in order to produce a higher quantity of them right now because the demand's so high for them. So like MU and Intel and AMD and stuff. They're just kind of vibing. Oh damn, GM just took off though.
See,
but I don't know. I don't see them continuing.
See, now I disagree. I think they're going to be above $60 by the end of the month.
Okay.
Now,
I mean, I could see it. I mean, I do love
will they
GM.
hit 60 and then correct back to 58? Now we both are right. Shoot.
Right. For real. Okay, let's do it. As soon as I hit 60, I'll put a put in.
I will tell
my
you
first
guys,
GM.
I've been talking about this for about a week now live. We can go back and clip. I wish I could just be like, hey dude, go back and edit every time I said SOXL. Well, we had went in, I told you, remember when I told you, I was like, hey, I'm down like $9 a share on this stock. And I was like, you guys should probably get in because I'm down 10%. I'm buying more. So I bought it at $638 a share, right?
Yeah.
And then it did a 15-to-1 split, so I got 15 shares per one share for that price. And then now it goes down to like 20 something. It went down to like 29 or something, right? And
Bears.
I bought it at 29, and then I bought it at 31, 32, 30, 31, 30, 33, 34, 34, 33. Now look at it. 37, 13. Right? So, just understanding why you want to, this is for like new traders, new listeners, why you want to kind of never just go all in. If you plan to buy it and you have $2,000 sitting there and you want to buy, you buy only 25% in my opinion worth, and then you wait a week, wait a couple days, find a new price, buy more, buy more, buy more. As it goes on, a little bit, you pick at it on down days. You don't buy on the green days. Why buy a stock that's at a premium? You want to buy on a low day. So you find pullbacks, you buy them on the stocks you like. That's my opinion. That's the advice that I think you should use.
How's MU doing? Just
my
fucking
wife just
beautiful.
sent me see, my wife just earned me $600 a year.
Too easy.
She just sent me a text and said, "Hey, I just lowered our car insurance."
What, did you switch to Geico?
By switching to, I don't know. She just gave me the new rate and told me to send her the money.
Too easy.
My premium is $1,082 for the year. That's pretty cheap.
For one vehicle?
For 2 cars, 2 people.
Oh shit! Damn.
So, what platform are you guys all using for trading stocks right now?
Well, I would recommend if you're new, I would use Webull to start, and then I would work my way from Webull to a more advanced platform like
Thinkorswim.
Yeah, well, Thinkorswim is good for futures, but I would do more of like Charles Schwab might be another like almost a linear move, but not really. But I like Webull for most people until you've done it for about a year, in my opinion. Once you become like a real day trader and you're trying to, because you're gonna have to pay 100. I'm talking about free brokers. You're gonna, if you want to pay, you know, you can pay 190 or like $2 a trade for certain brokers to let you trade off theirs. But the difference is they kind of sell you on the fact if you make, you know, if you buy 6,000 shares and make 1 penny per share every time you trade better because you're getting a better quote, better price, then it would make up for the price of the software, if that makes sense. But I would just do my research, figure out what kind of trader I am is what I would say, is how I'd answer that, and say, you know, what's my strategy? What am I going to do? How advanced do I need to be right now? And then work your way up into what you feel comfortable doing.
Right.
Yeah, I do Webull, and it works out fine for me.
Yeah, Webull's definitely good for like your passive trader, or if you're just trying to get into maybe the day trading, starting to learn some charts and really getting a. It's not about the execution with Webull for you at that point. It's more about the getting used to seeing what you're looking at. If that makes sense. If you go to Robinhood, it doesn't look anything like this.
No.
I recommend for charting to go to TradingView.
Can barely see candlesticks on Robinhood.
All right. So up 226%.
My 3-year-old drawing the chart. They got like a 5-year-old going, "It's 32.45," and he's like, "I got this." And it's like the little kid with a crayon. He's like, "Don't
I think
worry,
they're called apes nowadays.
To the rescue."
They're called apes, okay?
They're called apes. Yeah, the apes up there like.
GM me to the moon. GM me to moon.
Hey, I mean, you can't be.
Idiot.
I can't hate on them because some people made some fucking killer money on GM.
Well, I can hate on some because I know some bought it yesterday.
Did any of you guys make good money on the GME going up and coming down?
Yeah, Taylor made excellent money, and so did someone else in our group. Ben made like what 4,800% or something, or 2,400% off of it.
Like that's wild.
You know, just a little bit of pocket change.
Mm-hmm.
Found that in my cushion last night.
I made like, I think I made one trade on them in like 15 minutes. It was like $6,000.
Yeah,
wow.
crazy. Epic.
That's amazing.
So just an update on my MU, up 248%.
Holy smokes! Let's go back to MU. Let's check that out. MU coming onto the board here.
It just looks like they're hanging out, you know. But MU's gonna hit 100 probably this week is what I'm thinking. Either 95 to 100, and then they'll come back down to probably like 88.
So you know what I say is that good stocks are like good friends. You know, they just like to hang out.
Literally, GM is one of my best friends.
Because the longer
Like
they
we talk
hang
all
out,
the time.
is the
I dream
the better,
about 'em.
The better the stock is for me, in my opinion. The longer they hang out at a certain area, that's what we call support, baby. So we want them
That's
to
what we
create.
call support, baby.
We want to create support between. You want it to hold 92.26 because that's your 50% retracement, kinda a little lower than that on your previous move. But if it holds 93.48, that's even better. If you're just tuning in, this is the Elite Trading live show here. It's Kyle. It's his birthday today, so wish him a happy birthday in the live chat for us, guys. You know, if I could do like 10 voices a day, they would sound like there's more of us in here.
Hey, we had more questions today already with that one guy than we do for the most part. Most of the time it's just us talking.
Yeah, I know, right?
Hey, Meraki didn't come, did he?
Oh man, we suck again.
We suck again.
Where
I
did
thought that talk went well.
Where did you? I thought that talk went well too, man. I was like, come on, man. Where did you get in on them on MU?
I got in at $88.
Holy smokes, folks! All right, so
Yeah.
88. If I was in at 88, then
Up 266% now. But that's with me selling 75% of it prior, so obviously I'm mentally retarded.
That's his green profit, and the red is where I would have my stop out for that. I would just let it run if I had shared.
I mean, everyone in the chat knows that Kaler's live streaming his.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, what are we up to now? 300%? Almost. I'm expecting a pullback pretty soon, though. I mean, MU does not go above 7% profit in a day. Period. That's just how they roll.
One right around like 93.37 could be your possible pullback area.
Yeah, it's at 94.08 right now. But yeah, that's what I was looking at too.
So I'm gonna leave my line right here. I think it's gonna come down and bounce right here.
Yeah. Okay, well.
So
I guess I'll sell at 270%.
92.54. But, my fuckers, it could go all the way up, you know, and just go to the moon.
Hey, you know what?
But I would rather go with the odds in my favor that they're going to retrace.
Yeah, correct. I'm going to sell.
So then you could buy back in on the retracement if you really wanted to hold them.
Yep. Yeah, I'll do that. Cool.
Because, like, some traders I listen to, they're like, you're getting a gift from the gods when you wake up to this much percentage right now. And they're like, in these retail traders, sometimes there's like, they're getting bad habits taught to them because they're like, it's not going to work once the market flips. You know, it's like,
right.
And I'm like, well, the problem is every time they say that and I start hedging myself to the downside, I wake up and I get pummeled by the longs. So don't be short in this kind of market right now. Wait for the market to tell you it's going to go down, I guess, is like the key to it.
Right. So all in all, I was up 270%, made about $5,000. So it was a good day so far. Actually, I might just call it a day, to be honest.
Well, most
I don't
traders
think anybody here would blame you.
Most traders only want to trade for about the first 2 hours of the day, and that's they're done. That's your job. You're done for the day.
I'm still gonna hang out.
You make enough bank and just get out. Enjoy.
It's just better to quit while you're ahead sometimes.
Yeah, I mean, think about it. If you make $1,000 in one day, you go out and spend $200. Like, it doesn't mean nothing for yourself for that day, and you're like, boom, you could pay a car payment, electric, whatever.
Yeah, man, $1,000. Some people don't even make that in a week.
Right.
For real, yeah. Very few people make that in a week.
Very few.
Exactly.
You know, in this day and age.
Most people don't.
Unless you live in Washington State, then you have a good minimum wage. But
yeah, our minimum wage here is like, I think $10.
Let's check out AMD.
Baller.
Shot caller.
So how long have all of you guys been doing this for?
I've
Like
been doing it
not.
since October.
Oh yeah, right on.
But you know, so what I did, are you pretty new here?
Yeah, I'm like brand new, fresh.
Okay, so kind of like how I started was I started trading options because I heard about elite trading through Blake, who's in the chat as well. And so I did a couple options on my all. It was plug power, net, um, LOB, which is a bank, and one other that I always forget, broadband is what it's called. And so with plug, I made 700%. With net, I made about 500. LOB, it was like 280%. And I forget what I made off of um, whatever it was. But anyways, I took that profit, bought a Tesla Model S, and then hired Kaler to train me how to actually day trade because I knew it was 100% luck. And I knew it was 100% luck because I immediately lost $6,000 on Snapchat.
Snapchat was a bitch.
Yes, it was.
That killed a lot of people. And that thing
Yeah.
also made a lot of people some money too.
Yeah, it just shouldn't have risen for 4 days straight. It should have risen for like 2, and then the put should have worked out. So I made like $900 day one, and I was like, oh, I'm selling. This is going down. Shouldn't have sold at all. But yeah, so that's kind of how I got into it. Then I started, you know, working with Kaler and, you know, taking his lessons and just, you listen to what he says and, you know, you kind of clicks eventually if you really put your time into it. Like me, I'm an obsessive, like I do a lot of due diligence. I do a ton of research all the time. And that's kind of that's kind of what kind of trader I am.
Yeah.
You know, because me and Kaler, we don't trade the same stocks pretty much ever, but we can at least look at the stocks that we're all trading and kind of get a pretty good picture.
Yeah,
Right.
And help each other out. You know,
across each person's.
Yeah, and that's kind of what's different about elite trading is that we're a community of some new, some experienced traders who are just trying to help new traders become profitable.
Word.
Yeah.
I
What you
couldn't have said
guys
that
were
better
already.
myself.
I agree. Well, I'm on a high right now. So.
I agree.
I agree. He's like, I agree. You suck, Taylor. Clean
I'm
Spark
saying this,
Energy
though.
is down 23%, by the way.
Yeah, it's all
have a
energy is down
stock
right now.
offering. Looks like
Time
they
to
have.
buy up energy stocks. Let's go.
Yeah, GEVO is down 7% today. We have Ballard is down 2.45% today. Pretty much all. Blink is down 5% today. I have a whole subcategory which is just EV and energy stocks. So.
Wow, Clean Spark taking a beating.
Dump, but they went up like what 60% last week, so it's semi expected, but not that much, I guess.
Yeah,
that's a correction and a half.
Yeah, they 29. I got in at 29. I'm down $7. Good thing I didn't get to. I only bought like a super small position, but
Damn, a lot of red today actually, which is kind of a surprise.
Kaler messes up from time to time, so I'm not perfect.
What'd you do?
No, that was just that one was. I just now noticed that one was down.
Oh, gotcha.
But you know, out of my hole, most things are green.
You know, this Discord that you guys have is like the coolest thing ever, eh? Like, holy shit, I'm loving this. Honestly.
Yeah.
That's fun.
It's not like Wall Street bets on Reddit or any of
No,
that
that's
other shit that it's just like join this right now and fucking we'll give you the information or just saying mindless bullshit.
I mean, Wall Street Bets is really good if you don't know how to do rocket emojis or how to spell to the moon.
Yeah, you just gotta filter through the bullshit.
Diamond hands.
I've read some really good. I've read some really good points about stocks on there, but you're right. It's just all that fucking.
Oh shit! Look at Volkswagen, up 14% right now.
Yeah,
I know they made a new deal with that battery.
Yeah, they're gonna have like their own battery, like mega place over in Germany or something like that.
Damn! If you would have hopped on exactly at 6, it shot up 13% at 6:31. Fuck! If you held that call overnight, damn, MU's looking like a hot pile of trash right now.
Sun runs down 7%, so I'm gonna have to buy a little bit more of that.
CCIV is looking really good too. It's up 8% today, and it just fell on a dip. And it's been down for a while now too, though. Tops. Fuck.
Yeah, today's been one of those days. This week, I'm sorry, has been one of those weeks where I've been sitting on my hands pretty much a lot this week. And what that means is I'm not over trading. If anyone's listening in, if they don't know what that means, like I've been literally just trying to find a simple trade for the day, make a little bit of money, and not get too greedy right now until I kind of figure out what's going on, because the market should be pulling back. It's not. It's going up, and it's going up really weird like yesterday. So it's sat all day long, and then at the end of the day, we get this huge green bar rally. So I just...
Oh, dope. Too easy.
I like to take caution.
All right, let me see here.
And whoever that was, because I'm not seeing the names right now because I'm looking at the chart, but that said that our Discord is really awesome. Just so anyone knows, he is not a paid actor or anything. That was just perfectly said.
That was just right for real.
Hey, so I was talking about cruise stocks yesterday. Let's have a look at some of those. Yeah. What do we say, boys?
CCL.
Let's see how they're doing. Give me some insight on what you guys are thinking about what's going on with them, just given what you see on the chart.
So,
are you Canadian?
Yeah, I am Canadian.
Yeah.
So
what gives it away?
You're our token Canadian.
The A's and the E's. That's how I know.
So you were saying vowels. Cruise line?
Yeah, I looked up CCL, and here's the thing. They've already stated they're not going to be back to like normal, the way that they've normally ran until 2023. But would I be maybe picking them up on some red days? Look, if you bought these on all the big red dips, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Just real quick, check out GEVO. They're starting to have their recovery.
Okay.
Looks like green energy as a whole might be coming back up right now after their huge dip this morning.
Well, yeah, because their dad just spanked him, and now mommy's got to come and give him a treat.
Jesus Christ.
Did I say that out loud?
Yeah.
Yeah, live on there.
I think we all got excited. Yeah, you love to hear it.
Those stocks literally just got their asses beat for the whole morning. Like, hey.
Oh, bro, the whole morning, all 29 minutes of it.
Space 24% on the.
Okay, I might do a. We'll see.
Calls are looking good on them.
Yeah, why the fuck not? Let's do a call. All right, let's get it.
Did I hear a call on space? Because I'm on it, dog.
No, I'm doing a call on GEVO, possibly.
Damn.
I'm just gonna watch it for a second longer.
Thoughts and prayers.
Oh, sheesh.
Oh, YOLO or no YOLO?
YOLO or no YOLO?
Yeah, full
don't
send,
go
dog.
YOLO, because you already don't give up the gains though.
Oh, no worries.
I'm just kidding.
I'm on my second account now.
Oh,
my Robinhood.
He's like, I'm in my other one. I'm in my play account.
Yeah. Do it. No, I need to hold on. I need to study the chart a second longer. I'm gonna do it. I don't want to look at the chart. But should I do $10 call? Yes, I should.
Polish, FYI, we can't get Weeble in Canada.
Oh no.
Can you get like TD Ameritrade or anything?
I've been searching, trying to find the best thing right now. And the problem is a lot of them, the entry fees are a lot more than what I've got at least.
I heard that American brokers, this is like no joke, I heard literally today that they just don't like Canada. Like, not like personally, but they just, when it comes to like the way that they, like, they just don't allow Canadians to be able to use our brokers for some reason.
Kind of racist.
Yeah, like they were.
Yeah.
I literally heard like a whole like segment on it, and they were like, "Yeah, you should use like something else, like interactive broker, maybe I think is what it is." check out Interactive Broker, or what's it called? I was calling
EKR is what I've been looking at.
What's the other one though? There's one that I think would work for you. Lightspeed. Check out Lightspeed.
Saw a lot of people like promoting Quest Trade and stuff, and then was looking up online reviews, and everyone's like, it's unreliable. They freaking drop connection, and like everyone's losing money from them.
Well, apparently with Quest Trade too, you actually have to deposit $1,000 into their freaking thing so that you can use it.
Some of them are more than that though in Canada. Some of them are like $5,000 up to even open an account. Like that's my problem. I don't have a lot to put in. I'm just getting started, so I'm trying to find something I don't have to put a ton in.
Yeah.
0.28%, 0.26.
I heard Wealth Simple, you don't have to put anything in, but you also have to wait like 3 days for your money to actually transfer into whatever account you put in to buy stocks, and you buy high and sell low. So I don't think you really have like an option of picking what you're going to sell your stock at. It's just whatever.
Wealth Simple's also delayed 15 minutes on their chart, so you're not in real-time stuff. You're buying stuff based off of past info. I'm using them for my tax-free savings account with some long-term holds just because it doesn't matter on the long-term stuff. But yeah, I wouldn't do it for day trading at all.
Yeah.
We kind of went on a tangent. RCL and CCL, when we pulled them up, when I was talking about the cruise stocks, I think I would get into them on a significant pullback, not a minor. And I would be looking for, maybe a bigger pullback in the entire market before I would be going long on those stocks. I think there's a lot of things that are just long in the tooth right now.
Okay.
That looks like a lot of risk up there.
AMD's looking like it might. Like she might be deciding to blow up like MU did. Damn, CCIV is up 11%. Damn, I wish I would have invested when it was at 8. Now I'm just be chasing.
Yeah.
It's come back. Well, they were up at the high was 32.98 today, so $1. So, and they are really, really down for where they were. They're $20 down still from what their high was this year, but that was just because of the merger.
Enhance.
Yes.
Enhance.
Right. Hold.
QQQ.
How is it?
It's rocking and rolling.
Good. Yeah, SPY's looking pretty good too. At least it was when I checked last.
It's above its 5, 8, and 13. MA closes 320.20. So yeah, this is that is a move. It was down to 300 on the 8th. So 8 days it gained $22.
Fucking crazy.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, it is.
Going for all-time highs. Look, it's going to come back and try to take out this move all the way back in the Dezel up here at...
Apple's having another good day.
Yeah, I figured they were going to start moving up. They were been beaten up for a while now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're at 126, almost 127.
324.
Moderna's looking great too. 6% in the day.
Uh, 322. Man. Burp, burp.
Burp, burp.
320. 325.05 on the queue is where I see that it has potential to go and try to take out that. That's another $3, bro. That's a lot of QQQing.
Okay. Fisker's deciding what to do today. Oh shoot, my foot's asleep. Damn, what a nightmare.
Earlier we did this in the pre-market, and look, we would have hit our target right here.
For which one?
SPY. I was showing one of the newer guys like how to do like an ODO bracket and like where you have a stop loss and have a target for the upside using your P&L risk reward ratio and like trying to find a good trade. And you're like looking at different setups, but this one was not a good setup, but it definitely did work though.
Okay. This one was not a good setup, but it worked.
Yeah. Well, we were risking way more than you should be, but
yeah. Let's see, what's Caterpillar doing? Kitty cat, Caterpillar. Nothing, just straight terrible.
Pussycat, I love you. Sorry.
Are apes still losing a bunch of money right now? Answer, yes.
Daily double?
Yeah, it's down to $186.
Holy smokes.
Is that crazy? Imagine having that put on there.
I'm a bitch.
It's down 30%.
I bought
in the last day.
Didn't hold it. I had a freaking
Yeah, that's like that. We're just gonna start calling that the Kaler Classic.
Yeah, I had a 280 put 2 days ago.
Oh fuck. Yeah.
Yeah.
That would have been
did this to me.
Pretty lovely.
I had the 280 and it went and it was like,
yeah.
See ya.
Peace out, Napoleon.
What would that be? 280 down to 180. That's $100. So that would have been 1,000 to make $10,000. Or no, that'd have been $100,000.
10,000 to 100,000.
Yeah, 10,000 to 100.
Yeah.
She bang, good, you know.
She bang.
Man, thoughts and prayers for Kaler, but we're not going to think about that right now. We're going to just move on to the next trade. So we have 119 to the downside, and we have 269 to the upside, 250 for the upside. So you have 250, and you have 138. So this trade right here is risky biscuit.
Risky biscuit.
So, but let's see, if we were to take it right now, we'd have a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and our stop out would be $61. So you would lose a lot of money if it went down there. But
a lot of money.
You would. But
I wonder if.
But my fingers. Let's see if it goes here. Now we go. Yeah, that's just way too risky. So, where will this little stock be? I think there's some people that are like, damn, I shouldn't have bought GameStop at 250.
For real, there's some thinking, damn, I shouldn't have bought it at 300.
AMC's still going down. Yeah, I sold that a little too early, that put. But whatever.
Hey. Yeah.
It was green.
True.
Currently down on Givo. 1%. For all those.
Is that stocks?
Yeah, shares, yeah.
Okay, good. That's always a good thing to get stocks in them. Either way, I think that entry point is, I mean, it's really low right now.
My gym just texted me.
Is that what you call your wife?
No, she's extracurricular.
Okay, perfect. Sounds lovely. No, she's extracurricular.
Is anybody gonna go out and have a beer tomorrow for St. Patty's Day?
Oh, me and Blake out of work, but you know, super fun.
That never stopped me. I drink while I work all the time.
Different.
Like yesterday, I actually was gonna be like, hey, if we were all in the office together right now, I would have brought you guys all a lunch beer. SOXL up 5% on shares. Unity Software up 5.57 shares. These are all bought, within the last week and a half, so not bad. I did buy RYN yesterday. I'm down 0.56%, so.
RYN. RYN.
NAKD's down to 96 cents.
Fucking you, get your shit together.
You know who we didn't talk about today? There was one of the big killers that I sold too early. MGM.
Yeah, they're down.
Ah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
yeah, there's a lot of red. There's a lot of red today, and if it's not red, it's up a lot. It seems like. Yeah, seems like the whole EV industry just pulled out and invested into Volkswagen.
So, if like in the words of Cardi B, if it's up, then it's up.
Yep. Correct.
True.
Correct. True. Yes.
4. Einhorn and Finkel. Finkel and Einhorn. Einhorn, Finkel. Finkel, Einhorn. Sorry. 5% on my Ford puts. Selling. Duh.
Nice.
It'll be now buy it. It'll be 100% tomorrow.
Bro.
It's usually how it goes. I did buy some SRTY yesterday, just because it was on my old watch list and it was like really low. So I was like, I'm gonna buy this. Don't even know what it is. I know it's some type of ProShares Ultra ETF, but don't even know what they really are. They're shorting the Russell 2000. So if the Russell 2000's down, they go up. Russell 2000 probably doesn't go down very often, it looks like on this chart, but they did today, I guess.
SPEV. SPY is at 0.25 for the day. Up. Space is down. How's she looking now?
Someone said, what's the deal on this? I bought it for long term. You don't buy something long term that goes down steadily over its infinity of beginning.
That's the history.
Yeah,
since the dawn of time.
Since the dawn of time.
Okay.
Hey, and if you're watching this stream, go ahead and feel free to click that link below and get 20% off. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, ET was one that someone told me to buy a while back, and I think they're down from since they told me to buy them. So they're actually like half price.
Oh wow!
At
Great.
one point, they were at 3 pennies. Let's go. They're at 8.70, and they went to 16. Okay, this is an odd one. What do they do? Let's see. Energy Transfer LP stock outperforms competitors on strong trading day. That was 3 days ago. Cut to neutral on Goldman as few catalysts seen.
Oh, MU broke the 6% just now. New high for the day. Good for you, MU. Good for you, little buddy.
Good for you, little feller. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of shares on the ET. Why not?
Why?
Got nothing better to do. Bought some ET, might sell later. Never know. We need to make a meme like that, like we said it the other day, where it's like what is that one thing that the kids used to do, like take a selfie and I'm gonna delete later or something like that?
Yeah,
like a thing.
Feeling emo today. Gotta delete.
Yeah, like
might
something
delete.
like that. We were like, bought some Neo today, might delete.
I'm on it.
I'm on it.
I'm on it.
I got this. He's like, I need something to do. I'm an investor. I buy things only about once every 2 months.
Correct. No, I'm actually, small plug here, I'm actually learning market structure from Mickey right now from the course.
Nice. I was about to say, I have notes on market structure somewhere around me.
Just about like order box and graphing it and using it in real time in practice, stuff like that. Kind of
Yeah,
cool.
it's like, it's what I'm showing you and actually giving you the words behind it. So this right here is a market, and the structure would be from here to here. There's your market structure. They structure the market from a sell from this candle down, create a market, let the market go. You have break the market structure. Now it comes up to a new high. Now it's going to create a new market right here in this level, and then it's going to come back and try to regain this previous order block. And it usually will give you about 50% retracement. So you see the line from here to here, 50%. They hit it twice, 3 times, 4 times. They didn't even need to give it a chance this time. So possibly this could be a little fake out, and then it's going to drop back down and come down here. It says 41.66, or it's going to come up here and try to take out these tops up here. But Neo does look a little shaky. What's Tesla doing today? Usually you can see what Neo's like Tesla's little brother.
Oh yeah, I haven't even looked at Tesla.
They're like flat, right?
Yeah.
Looking a lot like Neo's chart that we just had pulled up.
Yeah, they're almost, yeah, pretty much. They're 0.25 away from each other. But Neo's been climbing a little bit. Hopefully they can break 46, 47 would be nice today. But we shall see. Probably go to 43.
GM is up 0.05%. Let's go.
Yep. That means they about to blow.
Hey, since I bought that ET, I'm up 0.37%. Let's go.
Too easy.
AMD, I'm up 2.6%. That's not bad on an $84 stock.
Mhm.
I did buy a little more.
Did you get a
SE yesterday? The Allied Esports. Remember I told you about them at 269.
Yeah.
273.
Oh, nice. There's Neo. GVO. Put shit in the bed, dog.
Yeah, GEVO was. It was a YOLO.
Yeah, correct.
He even.
I think it could still
YOLO.
pay out because it's down, and they have had pretty good news. Like their financials were pretty good and all that stuff. Yeah, Neo's definitely recovering a bit right now. Well, they did for a second. Come on, little buddy. Go on her tear.
Come on, little feller.
I know, she wants to. She wants to shoot up about an inch.
I just posted my measly profits underneath yours, and it kind of made me feel like I had a little winky.
Hey, dog. You made 2,900 on SVAC, remember?
Thanks to the Weeble gods.
Praise be the Weeble gods.
Praise be the Weeble!
Shoot.
You may not like Weeble, but Weeble paid my car payment last month. Thank you, Weeble. And this is not a promotion for Weeble unless you want to sponsor us here at Elite Trading.
Yeah. True, though.
Some would say I'm pretty fly for a stock guy. Yeah. Just kidding. All right, we're getting to the end of this session. You can tell we're getting bored. All right, what else we got left? Work. Let's just start pulling up some tickers, Kaylor. That's what your job is. What are you doing? I like work, man. I think that this thing's been just sitting and hanging out way too long. These guys all got together and they've been having beers for like a month and a half. They need to, they gotta go home to their lives eventually. But it could be down or up on this one. When I pull up the chart on my trading charts on my hand here, it's different than this one. I have a level that I wanted to buy it at 32.87 and then 34.86, 37.58, 39. So I have all levels beneath where it's at now. So you may not want to go long that one. I don't know. That's up to you. That's just what my lines say. My lines don't mean anything other than previous support levels and good places to buy. But it's went from 44.57 down to 39. Now it's back to 40.98. That big ass move is what freaks me out. If you guys are looking at that chart there, that we'll pull it back here. Oh, sorry. I'm pulling it to, what date was this? This was on, oh wow, back in November. Look at that. Look at that chart.
Wow.
So is it going to take 50? Is it going to go back to 34 before it goes back up? Or is it just like, I don't know what to do. It's like, I don't know what to do. Doesn't want to come down. I guess they just announced earnings. Or can you check their earnings real quick, Kyle? Do you have a second?
For who?
For work. WORK. Yeah. If you don't know how to spell
Yeah, it's Slack, right?
Yeah.
So what's the earnings gonna give you an idea?
I actually just pulled it up. So standardized was 0.14, estimate negative 0.3 cents per share, and then it surprised and was bad. It was actually not as good. So you'd think that they.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they actually had bad earnings, but it went up off the bad earnings report.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I mean, that happens. I don't know. Were they anticipating bad earnings? I doubt it, right?
They were anticipating 0.03 per loss.
Oh, okay.
And it was 0.11. It was 0.11.
Oh, that's weird because they should be. I mean, maybe not because I bet you less people are using Slack now since things are getting back to work.
Yeah, I guess that's kind of where I think most people are like, is this the best it could be? Like the best scenario possible for Slack was the pandemic, and if the pandemic's over, like, do they lose?
It's kind of like the Zoom thing.
Yeah.
It's going to be how they adapt to what the new climate is in their industry. Like how can they push sales when they don't have any?
My portfolio is not like Kyle's today. Mine is very stagnant. I haven't gone 1% up or down on the whole day.
That's the thing though, is that like I had one good trade.
Right.
And I haven't done anything since.
Yeah, it's like I'm just waiting for a moment. Like sometimes, like Blake will know. Sometimes I'll just be like, "Hey," and Kyle knows. I'll be like, "I'm jumping off here," and then I'll come back at like 2, and I'll be like, "Boom! Here's a play, finally."
Oh, Neo just broke into profit for the day. They've been on a steady upswing.
That means Tesla's.
They're negative now.
Nope, they're negative.
Quick.
That was quick.
Quick transition. Yep. You love to hear it.
One thing that you said to me, Kyle, like when you were like, "Oh man," you're like, "I'm trying to get this," and they won't let me hit it. Then it's like, that's when you get like you get more bullish because he's like, "Man, I'm trying to buy it and I can't execute," so he has to raise his price to get in and chase it up. And that's a good sign for him. He's like, "Oop, I filled right away." He's like, "I probably should sell this."
For
like somebody was willing to sell it to me there really fast. I don't know. It's getting a little sneaky here.
Super quick. Yeah. Yep. That's when you're like, bull to bear instantly.
Yeah.
I'm just a bear in bull's clothing. Just kidding. I'm pretty much bull through and through.
I'm definitely a balance, but I'm probably 60-40. And you guys can pick which side you think I really am.
I think you call more.
Yeah, I do. I'm a thoughtful bull. I care about where my money goes, so I get scared. I get a little scared. I like to parent my stocks.
God damn it. What?
I just sold my SOXL finally. I had to take my 5% profit after being down 15%. 20%.
On which one?
SOXL.
Oh, cool.
I sold it at the $38 mark. I thought that was a clean getaway. It probably will go to 40 tomorrow, but you know.
No, well, naturally, it's gonna do the old. What was that one? E-bond.
Oh my god. Ugh.
Yeah, that one was rough.
Are they down today?
I don't want to look.
E-bond. Nope.
Yeah, if they went up
They're
again,
down
that's gonna be crazy.
68 cents.
6%. 6% for the day.
6% on the Dizzle.
I wonder how BNGO is. Down 5.3. Oh, SRAC's back up now. Alright, Neo is on a tear. That means it's about to go down.
I think I like E-bond at $10, possibly.
Yeah.
Like again, like I think I could get back in. I could nibble at 10.
I can nipple at 10.
Nipple.
I can nipple at 10 easily.
Did you say nibble?
Okay. So Neo's gone up $1 in about 45 minutes.
Going on?
Yeah, someone left us.
Who's in the
Feeling
house?
hurt.
Kid Franks.
Kid Frank's in the house.
Oh, we have a lot of people here today.
What's
Going
up,
on?
bud?
Hella Canadians.
Hella Canadians in the house. Welcome, Canada.
This is it.
Hey, kid, what did you think of my Pumpin' Pal meme I made this morning? Did you see that?
Yeah, that was mint, buddy. I should share that on the crypto, eh?
Yeah, that's why I said you guys should make it better, like cut out his face better, or make it look more memeable, and then put like
it makes it way better. The way it is.
If it's worse, yeah.
Yeah, that's how memes work.
Oh, okay,
Mhm.
and then put like Pumpin' Pal like where the guy's stomach is or something, and put like
Yeah, I'll
stocks.
do that. I don't have my computer
You could
with
put
me
like
right now, but-
you could put like GME and like Tesla or something like on the weights and like have him like pumping.
Give him a Tesla belt buckle or something.
I hear nothing but amazing
Great
ideas.
ideas. Yeah, great ideas.
And Intel's looking pretty good. It's another one of those chip manufacturers.
Is that Kev and
Oh,
Wazo in
so
here?
yeah, chips are just looking good today.
Who?
Yo, what's up? Yeah, it's Wazo.
What's up, Wes?
What?
Not much, buddy. What are you saying?
Not
Oh.
too much, buddy. You learning lots?
Did you say what?
Learning lots.
New one.
Oh yeah.
Here you go. For the
Hey,
people
Kyle, you
watching
good,
the
dog?
live-
Yeah.
For the people watching
Yeah,
the
I'm
live,
good.
if you need to see this, you guys wanted to know what we're talking about. We'll pump and pal. 2 day feds talk today for 2 days and today
Boy,
and tomorrow.
Pow. Killing the game.
Man, I didn't know he was that buff, to be honest with you.
That for sure.
Should we just keep him there for the rest of the day? I'm just just pumping in the live feed, like just pumping it.
Give everybody some morning motivation at least.
Yeah, like if he can do it, so can you. If Powell wants to be all he can be, you can also be.
I'm feeling super motivated by it.
What are you doing today, Blake? Are you doing anything or just hanging out?
When it comes to trading, literally nothing.
Do you have a PDF for the logo?
I do. Let me give it to you.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I want to start making signs.
This
and
is
stuff.
this is my favorite scanner I have, and I call it Top Losers. Kaler.
I gotta go get some trash clothes.
Come on, Neo, quit deciding to take a shit, asshole. Red Strike's going down.
Ooh, MTSC is down and dirty. Consolidating. Look at that. It looks like the work chart, don't it? Look at that. What happened back here on December? Ah, it was a quad witching. So, are these things about to like blast off because that's why they've been chilling? I'm about to go in long on work just in case. Fuck it. YOLO. Just hedge it. I'm just gonna buy an in the money put and an in the money call and just hold them for like 6 months and just be like, one's gonna win. Who would be the victor? I feel all alone in here. Everyone got quiet.
Hi.
Did everybody start losing money all of a sudden? How about IMH? Impact Mortgage Holdings. They're out there saying that the mortgage companies are about to get like blasted because they're gonna have so much inventory. A lot of people that have like not been able to get evicted are gonna be able to get evicted now. So like those houses will be up for sale or for rent, so that's gonna saturate the market, and then like rates are gonna go up. So because they're going against the 10-year bond yield or whatever. When I say somebody, I guess it's me. I'm saying it right now. Fuck. Goldman Sachs, you know. We all know that Blake wants one full share of Goldman Sachs at one point in his life. He always gives a little to them.
Never. It was like 0.00002. I put $1 in.
Yeah, but you had some. You were a part owner at one point.
Yeah, I was the one calling the shots there.
Like you could have went to their dinner party. I'm just kidding. It would only cost you probably like $100,000 for one night, but. How do you know something bad might happen when the spread on your puts are bid is 0 and the ask is 163?
That's fair.
That kind of looks a little sketchy.
Which part? I think it all sounds good.
Nobody wants to buy it, and the only one that does want to sell it is selling it for $500 over the price it should sell for.
Hey, that's just called confidence. He knows something that we don't right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna go on a limb and say that work is gonna have a significant pullback.
Correct. They like to do that. Oh, cool. SVAC is up 0.1, so that means. Oh no, I'm not negative. Just up 0.
Like, is it just me? Is it my system, or go in and try to buy a work put and just look at it for me?
Is Blake here?
Anybody?
What's that?
I said someone pull up work and like attempt to buy a put. Like, don't actually execute it, but just go and try to buy one and tell me like what the bid and the mid and the ask are.
What
Any
okay.
strike, yeah. I'm just curious if they're like, if it looks as crazy as what mine does. Like nobody in the world is buying it.
March 19, 41.5 call is 19 cents. And that's literally, they have to gain 61 cents, and they would be in the money. Or, I mean, they'd be in the money quicker than that, but they'd be at like 100% profit. And it's a 19 cents.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I'm confused.
Corn fuse, or $41 call is 48 cents, but it's a 42 call is 7 cents. 42.5 is 1 penny. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's like, what's going... And then now go to buy a put.
Oh, put, sorry.
What's that madness?
41.5 is 1 penny. You need to, the base, what? You'd be,
I don't know what's going on.
hold on. So you could buy that and you'd immediately be 49 cents per share in the market.
Error.
Yeah, big time error.
That's what I'm saying. Like, try to buy it for a penny. It's gonna let you.
Hold on, no, hell no. I will though. Hold on, give me a
He's like,
second.
I will though. Watch this. Hold my beer.
Heard this, a day trade. Very quick day trade. So put 41, literally says $0 ask. Oh, now it says $1.37 for the $41 call. So break even 39.63.
Did they have like bad news? Why Slack can actually make you less productive, and 3 things that might help. Slack Technologies Inc. stock rises Thursday, still underperforms market.
Whoa. Yeah, their $42.5 call is only 30 cents right now. That's such a low risk. It's a $30 contract.
But nobody's selling
No one's doing it. Yeah, they don't. Yeah, they just don't have any volume. 26 people are buying the 42.5. Are interested in it.
Like, everybody just forgot about this company. They're like, they don't exist.
At 30 cents per put, which is nothing. Literally. That's wild. Hey Blake, is there any way to make my shit not echo in my ear?
Hmm.
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 Hmm. Hmm. You rang.
Mm-hmm. As much as my voice is just super attractive,
If you'd like to make a call,
feeling it.
Blake said, please try again. I'm going to drop the options chart into the Discordio live chat so you guys can see what this chart looks funky, but boom, boom, wham, bam, thank you, officer. Here's your probability analysis.
Analyze?
Analysis. Analyses. Oh, sorry. Here's your out of the money. Here's your in the money. Good.
God, they Brian, freaking idiot.
Fucking idiot.
God, we're done. I love it.
It's just you're just mad because I've been sitting here talking to hot chicks all day. Some sweet clothes.
CCIV still growing. Yeah, it just looks like it's like just big money growth everywhere or loss. GEVO is on a very steady climb back to reality. Yeah, it just looks like all green energy is starting to creep back up today. Yeah. SPY's up 0.32 now. Good day.
It's a good day.
Let me think. Am I gonna do that? Yeah, I'll do that.
Boom, 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 boom. You guys should like go to like all the stock groups you're in, anybody that's listening to this, and share this feed from our YouTube channel in there and be like, dude, this is like the greatest show ever. And then tell them to just quit listening at 10:41. End video, clip that, edit it, get it out of there. Let's go. No, I'm just kidding. We're now watching paint dry on Elite Trading.
Kind of though, huh? It's very slow upticks on a lot of things right now. Like super just steady, slow climbs.
Watching the American Delta Airlines here. It's like a gazelle in its natural habitat. They're all perched on these high evaluations. Long in the tooth, overvalued. Hogwash. That's what it is. Bunch of hogwash. Where's our Canadian crew? Did they go somewhere?
No, I'm here still.
Did you guys go skiing,
I'm
eh?
still here, mate.
Jesus Christ.
Chris, what are you doing, bro?
You guys go skiing, mate, he says. God.
Well, that's like, it's like always like 30 feet of
get the
snow
paperwork
in, like,
ready.
Canada,
Thoughts and prayers.
Thoughts and prayers, both of them.
Don't sue us. We're just kidding.
You're just JK kidding.
Like, if you take offense to this, then hit the X button in the top right.
You just hear do-do.
See ya. The error starts putting up on top of my head, like on the screen that Blake makes. There's when he edited my videos. Like, We've interrupted this program. Oh, thoughts and prayers. Someone left. Oh,
Oh, there we go. Two people.
boom, boom, bling. They all jumped out and jumped back in. I see you guys. You guys got jokes. You're funny. You ain't Eddie Murphy funny, but you're kind of funny. Did you guys see Coming to America 2? It was hilarious. I thought it was pretty good. I gave it to him.
Was it really?
Yeah, I actually enjoyed. I watched the whole thing. So usually I get bored and can't watch a movie all the way through, but I watched it. It's like a good background movie when you're just like, you know, bringing you back to the 90s. Like 95, I think is when it came out. 85? I don't know. 30 years ago, I guess, right? So, damn. Blake wasn't even thought of.
Oh, here we go again.
It wasn't Blake. Blake, weren't you in an accident?
Whoa. Wow.
10,000%.
If you'd like to
Yeah,
make a
okay, I
call,
thought
please
so.
hang up and call again. Please leave a message after the beep. Beep.
Okay, let's see.
I'm buying some shares of work just because I feel like there's some weirdness going on.
It should
there.
be going up.
Well, it won't let me short
At
it,
least if it-
so I got to go long, duh.
Well, obviously.
That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard of, Kaylor. Okay. Whatever. You do you. Boo boo. Look at Geo, still doing good, up 2%. We got LMND, since I got in at 107.49, is actually up to 110.92, up 3%.
Nice. Yeah, I like Lemonade. They're basically just an all-online insurance agency.
I like the song Lemonade.
Is that by Beyonce? By Bebe?
No, it's by somebody. I just don't know his name. If on Webull, if the stock's under $1, I just don't buy penny stocks very often. It makes you buy at least 100. That's nifty.
How about shares of GEVO?
How's that going for you?
Preston. Up $1. Positive $1, dog. No big deal.
Oh, I thought you meant
Be
like
jealous.
$1 a share. I was like, wow.
Oh no, literally $1
I was like, wow.
on 150 contracts.
Can
Yeah,
I
it's
be
up
like
like
you?
I don't know. Did you invest in MU yesterday?
MU. No, but I say that a lot of times.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's a great MU. We should have all invested in MU yesterday.
Yeah, I'm looking at Fulgent right now. I think they'll probably. They've been doing good so far this week. You know, I mean, like, as of Monday, not
It's
like
good.
the full week. It's good.
Good.
God, Neo.
I like that you're a fan of Jim Carrey, like I am. Or at least you've seen his movies enough that you know what I'm talking about. Or a boot, you know, whether. Would it be a boot or about?
About.
A boot? Polish? Can you drop in a boot for us? No? Thoughts and prayers? Everybody gone? More sniper? Am I offending you? Please tell me. Oh, they're gone.
He's got.
If you'd like to make a call.
Jeez.
Hey, now it's us.
Chris left. It was Monster.
Praise Jeebus. God, Neo, don't do this to me.
I just got one new follower.
Shoot.
Shoo. Seed, SEED, is down 5.5% today, I was just told. That means I must be down money. Oh, well, I'm still up 1.9% since I bought it. I bought it at 24.70. It's at 25.17, so.
Run, Neo, you fucking skunk.
My little seedling. I'm gonna buy more.
I don't like that one.
Huh? You say you do like it or don't?
I said I don't like that one. Your little seedling.
My little seedling. I like it. I need it to grow. It's my little seedling. I've just planted some dollars into it, and now it has to grow. It was down today, so that's why you got to do. Instead of watering the plant, you just got to throw money in there, and just the stock will go up. Trying to feed my babies here. IMAX, it's down today.
IMAX. Yeah, it should be. Didn't they say they're gonna be opening some shit soon?
Yeah.
Them and AMC.
Yep. Maybe this is the pullback for the bigger rise, you know? CBR Matt said that Microsoft is up today. They're up $4 today.
Update up $6 in Givo now. So, great, excellent.
99
buying
problems,
of shares.
Profit ain't one.
Hell no. Let's give it a $7.
Hell no, I won't go. Up 4% on my Apple shares. I have an average cost of 120. They're at 126.63. Let's go. Let's go through some average costs on here because I haven't done that in a while. Oxy, OXY, my average cost is $29. The stock's at $28.18, so you're getting it at a 72% discount, right? Or 81% discount, right? Yeah, 81%, sorry, 82, 28.18. Yeah, thoughts and prayers on my math skills. Today's low.
Obviously, guys, Taylor's had some coffee.
I did drink a Monster 300X Java Monster drink or something.
Oh, yeah, it shows.
Hulk smash! I'm just kidding. XNet, average cost $7.49. It's at $8.02. FCX, average cost $36.08. It's at $35.70. Another discount stock. SNDL is at $1.67. My average cost is $1.47. Let's go. There's a wiener. Is it 420? Is it April 20th? Because all the pot stocks are up today.
Oh, gotcha.
Yes, I've been trying to set that up all day.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Moon's finally aligned.
It did. I was like, this is the perfect time. I'm like, let's go with this. I'm gonna buy into Hexo. I like Hexo.
Yeah, I did Hexo a while back.
Yeah, I know. Usually when I say that, that means it's time to get back in.
Mm.
Let's look at Hexo on the charts here. I bet it'd be more beneficial if I had more than one stock pulled up at a time when I just sit there staring at it like a jack.
Hey, it's days like that though. There's days like that.
It's just one of those days.
Mm-hmm. Just one of those days, dog. No big deal.
It's just one of those days. Don't give up.
SPY's up 0.34% today. Where's John? He's
know,
normally in with us.
I don't know. He didn't clock in today, so he's fine.
Yeah, what the hell? Yeah, I know. Tardiness. Like, what did you think that just SPY would take the day off? I guess.
Totally different tangent here, Kyle, but what, for your barbecue place, what would you call the food?
Barbecue.
Central Texas barbecue?
Central Texas barbecue, is that what you said?
Yeah.
This is mid-Texas barbecue. You got a little south in you? Well, come on over here and we're going to get you some Texas barbecue over here at the pit. Sorry.
Hey, we don't endorse that at all. We only endorse Kyle's.
What's the name of it again?
Of what?
Blake and it's BK's barbecue?
Yeah.
Yeah, not for Blake though.
Blake and Kyle barbecue?
No.
It's forever Blake
Hell
and
no.
Kyle barbecue.
Trust me on this, Kaler.
Hella no.
Blake is a trash employee right now. The only good thing he does is comic relief and shows up.
True.
And with the very, very occasional work ethic.
Do the people at
Bare
work
minimum.
Do the people at work
Like,
hate you?
literally. Everyone loves everyone.
Everyone loves Blake? I'd feel like they'd be like, I get special privilege. He gets special privileges, and like that guy just gets to stand there with a washcloth in his hand all day. I'm just kidding.
That's basically. No, you're right. 100% right.
Like I'm on the
Bare
clock,
minimum.
sitting at the bar watching sports. I'm just kidding.
Can't take it quite that far, but very much the bare minimum.
Whenever I worked for anybody, I typically was friends with the person that was ahead of me. Like that's obviously a smart move, and or I like just working with those people, so therefore I worked with them. So, but it was always nice like that. It's like we'd be in there just bullshit, and then somebody come in, and they'd be standing there, and they'd be equal level to me, and he'd be like, "Hey, like, don't you have something better to do? Like, get out of my office." And then the dude would just look right at me like, "Well, what the fuck? Kaler's in here," and I'm like, "Yeah, but you don't got it like me, bro. You got to be friends with the boss." I'm just kidding. If you want to be get ahead in life, guys, befriend your boss. Don't fight him. Take his job at the end, but
Tough.
it's a tough life out here. It's hard out here for a pimp. I do enjoy being able to say whatever I want, though. There's going to be a point where I can't, so I got to get it out now.
You're not wrong, though.
So, Hexo, 773. Everything's like sitting at like 50% of the downward move that I keep finding. I'm not loving today. I'm not loving this week. Kyle's loving this week. He's already a wiener.
Yeah, it's been a good week.
Just
Except for I want Neo. Neo needs to go.
This just in. Sell too early, Kaler back at it again. You is at 113.34. It was at 105 when I called it out. Let's see.
Oh shit! Really?
Let's see what that option's selling for. The 105 for April. I had it for April. Ugh. Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god,
dude, that hurts.
Heartbroken. Let's go look at it. Let's see. It's
Heart
at
shattered.
12.90. I sold it for 9.90.
I might do a long call on Fulgent though. Maybe like a May expiration. Let's see what they're looking like today.
It's the quilted quicker picker upper.
Sure is.
Bounty. On a pullback, like if Unity goes to 115, I would like it on a pullback at 110 again. It's kind of easy to say right now, but
If you?
yeah.
I guess I can't do that.
If you build it, they will come. Yeah, I think it's going to go to 115, to be honest. But if you're going in and buying now, you're kind of buying it at, I mean, not really. I mean, if you look at that, it's trying to come back off of a big move down. It went from 120, it went from 160 to 85. It literally got cut in half from February to March. In a month, it got cut in half, and it's only taken back $13 of that loss. I guess everyone's like, you know what, this is boring. But usually I quit trading by 11 o'clock anyway.
Yeah, I'm typically done by 9, 8 or 9. My time. So
my work, I filled at 4102. It's at 4109.
Oh shoot!
Killing the club. I'm glad SRAC's up because I was in on them. I've been trying to leverage myself in and out of them. Originally, we bought them at 1076 is the first I ever paid for them.
Oh really?
Yeah, and I've bought them at 10, 10, 11, 13, 16, 15, 15, 18, 19, 16, 20, 23, 13, 16, 16,
oh,
16. Ooh, 16, 16, 16. 16's the number.
Really loving that 16.
Yeah, it looks like that's where it's at. Maybe everyone's loving it there. Look at it. Look at that consolidation station. You know us, we called it, so it's gonna probably go to $25. And when we bought the calls and sold them already.
The hell is Uranium Energy? UEC. They're up 60% the past week. Up 26% today.
Uranium. I thought you were gonna say something bad.
Not today.
Not today, mate.
God, I'm almost thinking about doing a call on CleanSpark just because it's crashed so hard today. I could just see it coming up like 6% tomorrow.
Like just on like that sympathy dead cat bounce kind of thing.
Yeah, totally. Like get a 22.50 call for $1.90. They have just like the worst news. Nope. Oh, the public offering. Gotcha. That's what happened. I'm not touching that.
SPY's gonna hit 400, I think.
Today?
Oh, I mean, I don't know about today, but I think that it's gonna hit. I think there's a lot of people expecting it to hit 400. It just looks like it just wants to just go there.
SPY to the moon.
Spidle to the moon.
Bitcoin up 2.55% today. Dropped 7K over the past couple days though.
I bought a put for the 17th for tomorrow for SPY, which is probably stupid, but
possibly.
But actually no, I didn't. I'm sorry, I got my dates wrong. I got it for Friday at 394.
TMYD. Oh, damn, GBO just plummeted. Nice way to go.
I'm an earth investigator. I'm an excavator. A little blippy.
Blippy whippy.
A little blippy. So here's how it looks like. It looks like if I wanted to buy a put right now, it makes total sense for me. But I have a feeling that SPY is going to go to that 400 tomorrow, and then that same put will be cut in half, and then that's when you should buy it. There's 34,000 open interest on 395 puts for the 17th. So it's going to be hard for it to go past that. And then
Yeah.
calls, you have calls up to it's 7,000, 10,000 for 398, 399, and then it goes to 4,000 for 47,000 for 400 for the calls. So people are shorting it at 400. But then it goes to 405 at 22,750. I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know.
Doing some DD. That's all I can do today.
You know what? A weird strategy that would have worked for you yesterday if you just do the bin call is you set yourself to buy those 35-cent or 30 or whatever they are for the 400, and you set up a buy for like 5 cents or a penny, and that way if the SPY drops at the end of the day, but then you get a spike tomorrow.
Right. Let me think. What's gonna happen? I think Bitcoin's gonna go up, so I might do a. I was thinking about doing a riot call just because, or a Mara. Just a small baby one, just in case.
A little baby boo.
Yeah, let me see. Let's see what they're running. God, they're still expensive, the calls. Not like expensive, but you know.
But like not like cheap, you know.
Correct. Not like cheap. I agree. 66 versus 60.
This is where I want to be.
I think it makes more sense to do the $65 call.
Tesla at 702. What you gonna do? You gonna go back up to 840? You got 150 to the upside. You got 575, 590 to downside. Probably gets a little choppy between 724 and 674. Could go up to 740. Man, Tesla's in a nice range.
The old Tesla.
But I won't touch Tesla. They hurt me. They hurt my soul.
They hurt your feelings?
They hurt my feelings.
Where on the doll did the Tesla touch you?
In my no square.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. Not like this.
Not like this. It can't happen this way.
Right, yeah. I'm gonna do it now.
Please don't do this to me. We need 397 to hold on SPY, and that's how I know if they're going to 400 on by Friday, maybe.
About 3 contracts in Riot. Both in the money, just like filled at 250.
Nice.
So up $7.50. Too easy. Terrible. Well, I guess that would be what, 25 cents filled at profit, so it's good. Okay, let me think.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah, me either. I'm just kind of chilling.
I gotta do some recordings today. Knocking them out. Alright, so.
Oh, what you doing for your birthday?
Oh, nothing.
Let's go. My man.
I can see why you guys are such good friends. The dryness in this room. I'm just kidding.
Right, bro. Yeah, me and Blake are pretty similar people.
What are you gonna do for your birthday today? Nothing. Perfect. That's my guy. That's what I'm talking about.
That's my boy.
Like he was like, that's exactly how he said it too. It was like, that's my dude. Like I knew it. I knew it.
No lot of nothing today.
Hey, sometimes a low-key, best gift.
Mm-hmm.
Doing nothing.
Doing nothing. What are you gonna do today? Probably nothing. Me on my birthday? What are you doing? I'm throwing myself a 30-person surprise birthday party because no one else will do it.
30 of my closest people that I met on the street today.
Like I'll be like, hey honey, don't forget it's my birthday, and then invite these people.
I'll look surprised, don't worry.
I'll look surprised, I swear. I won't break anything that night. ET up 20 cents total. Baller.
Hey?
CLSK down 19% since I bought the shares. Not a good one. Boom shakalaka. Shakalaka boom. My work shares are down though. That's sad. SVAC still breaking my heart. Don't think that thing's ever gonna move.
Well, it just goes back and forth like every
I'm bound and determined to just keep buying as many as times as I can at like underneath 10.05 and then selling it for
Just
10,
to keep
10,
it.
10.9. just bouncing it back and forth like we got this.
Yeah, 10.09. It's 10.08 to 10.12. That's the range on it.
It's like usually when you buy like a share to like I like to buy it just to mess with it. Like I'll buy one and just be like, let's see what it does. And it's like won't fill it, and you're like, see, there's one dude just like keeping it in a 10-cent range right now.
True.
Just manipulating this little pussy stock. It needs to go up.
It does need to go up. Like if it just went up to like just give us like 30%, increase.
Yeah, like just go up to $15 or something. I'm just kidding.
No, dude, that'd be dope. That'd be hella cool.
It's like it's got me where I'm like, do I need to buy a call for October and then just like never look back at it? Like if the short seller on this could just release the Kraken one time and let it go. Starboard. I like the name of it.
Yeah, it is a cool one. Starboard acquisition, whatever.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Starboard, yeah. Nobody wants to sell me the shares. I got a bid up for it to 10.10. They won't sell them to me at the 10.09. Punks. This is definitely one of those ones that if we sold it, like sold the calls, it'd be like, ha, here goes 20 one time. Like, I'm just going to run to $20 for you guys real quick while you guys are mad. I have the right to buy 1,700 shares at $10 if it does go up.
Hey, if you want, yeah. If you want to.
So let's do that math.
SRC?
Let's do that math real quick. So, what is $382? So, and it's at 10 cents. What's 10 cents times 1,700? That'd be $170.
Yeah, 170. Yeah.
So I'm caught in a conundrum here. So I'm in 332. So I would lose 332 to make 170. That's not a good. That's not a good idea. That's why they're doing that.
No.
So I need to get my average down to like 10 cents on these.
Yeah.
They're never gonna let that happen.
Oh no way. What's your average right now on them?
30.
Oh fuck yeah. We're talking about SVAC, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's 23 cents average.
You animal.
So, Rockstar.
23 cents average.
He'll drop to negative 0.08 and then go back up to 0.2 to finish, so that way we can
so
just kind of hold strong
again. You got
again.
in when it was at like 20 and 25, didn't you?
Yeah, it was after you, so I think it dropped.
Yeah, I bought the range on it was max is 25. So how do I own it for 30?
I have no idea. That's what I was just wondering. I was like, because I feel like we got into it pretty close because you called it, and I was like, I'll do it.
Let's see here, 5-day max. Oh, there was like a one morning where it was up to like 35 and 40 on 3.3 and 3.5. It was above.
Mm-hmm.
It was above, yeah. Ever since then, it's like, oh, poor Jesse. You get no love from us. Woe is me. Last time it was here, they went down to worth about 17 cents average, and they were selling for about 30. So yeah, that's not good. Sorry.
For real though.
Little Doug funny.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Doug, yeah. The beats.
Is that my wife coming downstairs to bring me some food? No. A smoothie. It's a smoothie. I'll take a smoothie. What kind? Strawberry nana? No. Pineapple berry.
Hello, Kaylor's wife.
Thanks, wife. Kyle said hi. She said, hey.
Hi. No.
You're looking pretty today. I'm lying.
Thank you.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I knew it was coming.
I was like, you look pretty today. She's like, really? And I was like, no, not really.
Tough.
I'm just kidding. She's always pretty to me. Use my hummingbird.
Stay. I'm just getting the laundry. Stay up there, please. No. Okay. Go.
Alright, bet.
Stay up there. No.
I didn't watch it.
Hey, just Artie, come here.
No.
You want to come say hi?
Yeah.
Kyle, I sent
Willow,
you
you
an
coming
invite
too?
on Facebook.
Can we jump on your guys' bed?
You cannot jump on that.
No. But it's fine. You just stay.
What, baby cakes?
We're just jumping on the bed.
That's John M's bed when he comes to town.
This is your bed?
Mm-hmm.
Oi.
Why did he bring his bed here? He didn't. It's called a guest bed. You let people sleep in it when they come into town.
Yeah.
That's why you can't jump on it. You're going to break it.
But, hang on. See? It's all jumpy. See?
Can you guys say hi to everybody online? Say hi, everybody online. That's Penny, the dog. Penny the dog. My blue healer. She's so pretty. You guys like dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have 3.
Oh, nice. What do you got?
I got 2 Australian Shepherds and a Corgi.
Oh, so you're a fan of blue healers too then.
Yeah, I like herding dogs.
I love herding dogs too. They're super smart. Mine talks too, like, and she'll like tell you like everything. If she wants food or outside or whatever, she's just like, oh, I come over and start talking and shit. I'm like, I like dogs that can talk or communicate through groans.
You're right.
Excuse me. All right, can you guys? Where's Mom at? Mom, are you almost done in there? Yeah, you need to get your hair fixed, honey. You're looking a hot mess. Yeah. Do you guys want to go do something when I clock out for the day? You want to go to the park or go do whatever you want? Is it cold out or warm out? Or neither, because you haven't been outside yet. You haven't even been outside yet. It's 11:20 in the morning. Who are you? I already went to the store, so it wasn't that bad this morning. So I'd assume it's like 50. Arden, I'm working right now, so I was being nice. Normally you'll get the elbow drop right now. All right, elbow drop's coming.
I don't want to.
Tap me in, Mom. Tagged in. Come here. We have Arden off the top ropes into the ceiling.
Oh yeah. What did you say, Blake?
I sent you an invite, like on Facebook. It'll give you access to the barbecue Facebook page.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, cool.
I assume you probably just want to go with Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah, for sure. I think that's funny good. Wow, Blake Johnson said happy birthday to me on my timeline. Yep, big deal.
You went against the grain.
Deleting it.
Said happy birthday. Gotta delete later. Unity's up to 113.54. Score.
Okay, so Central Texas barbecue, too easy.
Mars Sniper said happy birthday in the chat on YouTuber. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the YouTube. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Nobody listening?
What?
No, not you guys. There's nobody online listening, so I'm just gonna cut this feed. I'm gonna cut the feed off. I'm gonna cut the feed off.
That sounds fair.
Well, it says there's 2 viewers. If you're here, speak. Say something in the
Well,
chat.
forever hold your peace.
Chat it up, guys. Hit that like, guys. Ask
Did you?
a question. I'll answer it.
We're still up. We're still up.
Okay, I'm inviting all my friends
Easy.
to BK's barbecue.
I was like, yeah, thanks, dude. And he's like, to BK's barbecue. I was like,
Well, I'm inviting you too, buddy.
I know, but I'm
Like, not to like my Facebook page.
I thought you meant you were inviting him to the stream, you jack.
Oh, no.
I was like, sweet. And you were like, to what? To like my restaurant. Fuck your